Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Robin. I'm a full-time eBay seller and I sell on Mercari, Facebook, Poshmark. We're doing a second unboxing of from my Pallet tote, if that's what you want to call it. Anyhow, I have another big tote down here that we're going to unbox and see what I got. And I hope you guys stay tuned to the end. I'd appreciate it. And if you're new and just finding me, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. That really helps my channel. And if you are a regular subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button as well. And I appreciate you watching my videos. So let's go down here and see what we got in this one. This is my last big tote. The rest of them are the little small ones. So let's go down here and see what I got. Hopefully you guys can see. And we're going to see, this is, I don't know if this works, hope it does. This is like an electric screwdriver thing, almost like a drill. But it's been open, as you can see. So I just have to see if it works. If it works, that's pretty good. Be nice if it worked. And we have another Flawless facial hair remover. Sold my last one the other day, so I'm glad I got another one. And we have a Walgreens Pulse Oxidizer. I'll have to check this out and see if it works. I sell these really well too. And we have another remote. I'll have to see if that works. And then I have a no-touch 3-in-1 thermometer for a baby. That's by Braun, and these are expensive. I've seen them in the stores. But that's what it looks like. The only thing is, can't really sell it on eBay. So, it'll go on Mercari. Sold a whole bunch of them on Mercari. From one of my totes that I got a lot of thermometers in, I sold 2 lots full of thermometers. Okay, and now we have a Flawless Dermaplane razor. Don't know if I still have one of these. I think I might. Not sure. Put that in a Flawless spot. And here is a Flawless facial roller and massager. I have one of these, and it vibrates on your face. It's really nice. Have one of those. I'll see if that works. And here we have a Kiss Power File on the go. See if this works. I have the big one that has the dryer in it too, so I'll have to see if this works. Have another razor, a 6-in-1 style kit from Braun. And so far, out of all the other razors from my other unboxing of my tote, almost all of them work and have everything, and only one was used and dirty and nasty, and no, I'm not selling that one. I'm not even going to clean it. Here is a Wet to Style flat iron, and it doesn't even look like it's been opened. You can see it's still sealed here and here. The only thing is just bent. So, I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 razors, or razors, hair things. Anyhow, they all work. So that's good. And here is another Timex Charge Your Phone clock. See if that'll work. And I have another Walgreens Tens Relief. I hope everything is in here is still in here. Oh yeah, it looks like it ain't been used. Or hasn't been used. Proper language. Anyhow, this one here has everything. Has the battery still in it, so I don't think it's been used. Good, good, good. Love it when I get those tens units. Here we have another Omron blood pressure monitor, 3 series. Let's check and make sure that works. And here is another one. So it makes 3 I have. Now, and here is another Kiss Power File Nail Dryer combo. I have 1 of these left, so when I check this one out to make sure it works, I'll have 2. Sold 2 already. And we have a Bluetooth touch light color changing speaker. So we'll see if that works. It's all in there. That should sell good if it works. And here we have a big box of Soap and Glory stuff. Pink Tank is what it's called. Brand new. Hasn't been opened or anything. My granddaughter already spied it and wanted it. We'll see. Maybe I'll save it and give it to her for Christmas. That'd be a good idea. It's got some rose shower or something in it, scrub, puffy eye pack, clean on the go, or clean something. Oh, that's got a lot of stuff in here. This is a $53 item, and they were trying to sell it for $40 wherever it was. But good. And then we have another Kiss Power File on the go. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. The other one is smaller, and this is a little bigger. So hopefully those work. And here we have a nasty box, and this one does not have this thing here. So this is trash, because I can't sell that without the top. And here we have another curling iron. Oh, and all them other curling irons that was in my other tote, my first tote, they all worked. And this is another one, just like I already tested yesterday, and it worked. So hopefully this will be tested and it works. Well, it will be tested. Hopefully it will work, and then I can have 2 for sale. And then we have a iron. And the last couple irons have been bad and leaky. This one looks like brand new. It hasn't been taken out. It doesn't look like. Everything is still together, so hopefully it's in good shape and I can sell it. It's a steam iron. We shall see. And here we have another Contour Next one. This is a different one than I've gotten before from this particular one. This is a different kind of blood glucose monitor. Okay, and here we have another oxidizer thing. It's in there somewhere, because I can feel it in there. And this is a Safe and Healthy Disinfecting UV Light. We'll see if this works. Last one I had like this did not work. That one, so this one here, I'm not expecting it to work either. Here we have another one of those Bluetooth speakers. Hopefully everything is in this one. The other one, there wasn't everything in there. Like the little hanger. I think everything's in with this one. I hope so. We'll see if it works. And there's another thermometer that I could sell on Mercari. And here is a pro gaming mouse. Now I've gotten one of these in my other pallets and they've sold very well. Just have to check it and make sure it works. And here's another non-contact forehead thermometer. See if that works. Put it on Mercari. Here's another pulse oxidizer. Those sell good for me. And here's a Remington shaver. Hopefully it'll work. And I can sell it. It's got to be in there. I feel it. There's a beat up box of a weighted heating blanket type thing. It's not that big, but I can't sell anything in a box that looks like that. This box is a little bit better. I can sell this one if it works. Hopefully they work and it's not been cut. Okay. One of the heating pads I looked at the other day from our first unboxing, all the cord was cut. The only thing that was there was the heating pad and the, you know, this thing here. That was the only thing that was in there. So I gotta let the guy know about this pallet. Another non-contact thermometer. That should be a bundle on Mercari. There's another heating pad. Hopefully it works. And the massaging heating pad. I hope this works. This is a good seller. And another Omron 10s unit. I hope everything is in here because these sell really well, especially if they're brand new. So I don't know what's. I don't think it's even in here. Nope. Empty. Nothing in here. Nothing in here but this stuff. Oh, that would have been a good seller. Here we have another Walgreens Deluxe LED Light, a whitening kit. I don't know if I can sell this on eBay or not. Let's see. Does that have an expiration date? It says sell by 3/22, so it's still good. Well, this way. If not, I can sell on Mercari. Okay, here is a humidifier. My granddaughter said it looked old, like it's been sitting around for a while. But we'll see how this is. Well, this is still intact. Here's this little part. Well, it still looks brand new. I guess you just put like a bottle of water on it and off you go. I don't know how that went in there. Anyhow, I'll check it out, see how it works. Let's see, put that down in there. It's a nice little humidifier. Yeah, I think you just put a bottle of water on there. And there you go. So we'll see about that. Here's another TENS therapy thing. And looks like it's all here. So that's good. The box is messed up though. And here is a mosquito zapper, a little portable one. another pulse oxidizer. I don't think I have any more of these left. I think I sold them all except for some small ones. And then I have another sinus inhaler. This has everything in it already looked. These so good. And then I have another Case UV Light sterilizing travel bag. We'll see how that works. This is what it looks like inside, I guess. We'll see how that works. And then down in here we have heating pads without their boxes. I still might be able to sell them without the box, as long as they work. So we'll see about that. So that concludes the unboxing of this tote. So we shall see what works and what doesn't. And now I got to, when I get done here, I got to go and do some listing of some things that I have already checked and know that works. So I can sell. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of this tote. My next unboxing is going to be little small totes of things, little things. Like I got a ton of makeup in the bottom of that box. So we'll be looking at that. So stay tuned for my next unboxing of the smaller totes. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the thumbs up. Regular subscribers, thank you very much for showing up and watching my video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye for now.